Christchurch, Oxford, UK. Buy your tickets online every Friday for the following week, enter the shop, queue up, and collect your multimedia audio guide. With this and the tickets, you can enter Christchurch and listen to the audio guide. There are several different languages that you can listen from. It starts from number 1 outside, to number 2 inside, and all the way to 21. There are arrows that you can follow to follow this easily. Majority of the areas don't have any seats, so you have to stand around and listen. I prefer to walk around and have a look and take photos. The staff do tell you to keep the lanyard around you, however I did see many people not wearing it. Eventually, you'll reach the outdoor section. This is called the Tom Quad. This is the area that you always see on the other side of the door. The tickets are always sold out, and you can only buy it every Friday 10 AM for the following week. I bought my tickets Friday afternoon, and most of the tickets were already gone. This is the reason why I'm here so early. This part here is a student accommodation. Just around the corner is a gallery. You need to pay £3 extra on top of your ticket to be able to look inside. Now we're heading back through the Fell Tower. On the right is Tom Quad, and we keep on continuing to the left now, and we enter this cathedral area. It's a church, it's a cathedral. This is an amazing area with lots of history. There are plenty of staff and volunteers in the area who would love to share their knowledge with you. It was back in the day owned by Henry VIII. Since then, there's been many restorations. So this place is probably the only place where everything keeps on moving around. There's only one thing that's stayed in the same position. We can see this here, so her children are just underneath and they've removed all the heads. Here on the wall, if you look very closely, there are mistakes where they put a little arrow and an S just to include the correct spelling. Overall, I really enjoyed this visit. I do think it's overpriced because it is just a student accommodation, and we have to pay to see it. At the very end, return your guide. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.